Welcome to an episode of Nature Tussle with your host, Craig.
Good day and welcome to an episode of Nature Tussle. I'm your host, Craig. We've had a lot of emails and letters over the past few days telling me about how you had marshmallows in your hair for days. Such a silly thing. I'm gonna check my hair right now and... no. Crikey. You know what this means. A mellow bear is near. Let's go find him. Here today, we're gonna find a mellow bear.
A mellow bear is one of the most intimidating creatures in the wild. It's over 300 pounds and stacks up to over 8 feet tall. It leaves marshmallows everywhere they go. They're excellent fighters, and it eats tree bark, worms, and even people.
Today we're gonna go searching for the glorious beast. But before we can do that, if I can fool a bug, I can fool a man. People aren't as smart as bugs.
These mellow bears are really rare and hard to find. We gotta look high and low in order to find one.
One of their biggest qualities is that they make a distinct noise to communicate with other fellow mellow bears. Take a look. They're actually communicating with each other using the human phrase, "I don't like green eggs and ham." How bloody terrifying is that? Let's keep moving on. My senses tell me that we're now moving into mellow bear territory. And there's one major rule when dealing with mellow bears. Everything in this room is edible. Even I'm edible. But that would be called cannibalism. And it is looked down upon in most societies. Let's go have a look. Those mellow bears is right around this tree over here. So bloody beautiful. Mellow bears live by a strict code that says, once a king, always a king in Narnia. I think it's sauce. We better make quick. Easy, boy. Easy. He's very hostile right now. He's looking to tear my head off. I gotta get in a good spot here. No! We better get out of here as quick as possible. As my father always said. Let the wild rumpus start, huh? Oh, no! Well, that's about all here on Nature Tussle. I'm your host, Craig, telling you like we've told you before. It does not do to dwell on dreams and to forget to live. Till next time. Let's see him. He's coming. He's... Tussle!